Hi there. So one of the things that you may want to do when you have QuickBooks Online is to go ahead and connect the bank, your bank feed to it. So what the bank feed does is it allows QuickBooks to go and fetch information from the bank. It goes and it fetches the transactions so that you can monitor them on a daily basis. It doesn't have any other way of communicating. You can't make payments. It cannot do any transactions. It simply is an information gathering source. So the way to do that is you're going to open up your QuickBooks company. You can see I have my Acme Anvil company open here. On the left hand side, fourth one down, everybody's QBO is going to look ever so slightly different. So you should see something here. It's called banking. You're going to go and click on that banking screen. And what you're going to get is something that looks like this, unless you have previously connected it. So here's a quick 3-minute video to see how it works, and it'll QBO then goes ahead and explains on how that works if you want a little bit more information. And you're just going to go ahead and press that green button that says connect account. Now, not all banks in Canada are connected with QBO. The majority of them are. If you're with any major financial institutions, shouldn't be a problem. It's some of the credit unions where they're not quite, they haven't quite finished setting that all up yet. But as you can see, credit cards and PayPal accounts work there as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and either choose the bank that you have, or you can look at the button that says show more and it'll actually show more of the banks, or you can just go up here, Royal Bank, and do a search on that. So you're going to go ahead and press the button. I'm just going to choose Royal Bank just for the fun of it. And then you would, from here, you're going to put in your card number or your username, however it is that you would normally log into your online banking, and then enter your password. From there, and at this point I can't because I don't have anything to log into, you would go ahead and press continue, and it will ask you what bank account would you like to connect this to. Really, really important is if you are a sole proprietor and you only have your personal bank account, please do not try to connect that in, because then we'll muck up your business as well as your personal expenses. But if you have a dedicated business bank account, you can go ahead and do that. One of the last questions that QBO is going to ask is to which of your general ledger accounts that you want to connect that to. So I'm just going to close this here and open up my chart of accounts. And if you've already set up your bank account, make sure that you're connecting that. So I have set up Acme Co checking. So when I do go ahead and connect that bank account, I'm going to want to make sure to put it there so that in my general ledger I have the correct one set up. You do have the opportunity to set up or create a new one, which is fine if you're brand new to QBO. If that's not the case, if you've been using it for a little while and you already have it set up, make sure that you're matching or attaching the appropriate one to it. Same with your credit cards and PayPal. This is a really convenient feature because when you are going to do your bank reconciliation and you have your banking information set up, you can actually go and fetch the accounts. At least the majority of the time, and in theory we should be able to fetch those bank statements, and so it helps us bring them in a little bit faster. If you have any questions, by all means send us an email. We're happy to help you out. Our email is clientcare@stanleyyoung.ca.